Galamsey akodin dia sesi adaga no man yigina eko anu aye eko akodun pempeto se soldiers fo no woni se ebra so se aban yi be makwan na ebiem so no eye Ghana Armed Forces a womo ebwa Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources womo etimi akọ eye etia Galamsey no womo kwan no metimi adọ eye okunum suko isante ekuna kwese de womo okopa so still na inso ni se na ese ekuna kwese enmenima ekumbi enu womo na we enam so ama soldier aye de womo egu mountain so Galamsey prone areas no bako abe video de better but ni chichu no Galamsey no womo eko a yes small scale miners womo ko to no kakra bi obi wo wa do be inso na obeche no ni kakra no na ese wachi no na onim se o say so na nso na ese 1 kilometer away crab no obi she efuom baby she room baby to Galamsey na nso our pipes na structures are connected to inso na baby enam na nso na ese edi inso nya eti womo ko to na inso ni kwa na eye connected se o matimi akochi eye 1 kilometer away from the river we site bi omo ye Galamsey matimi akochi mu nkofo no and wotimi de eye China ni ba ko ka on begina inso no echeche nsem no mo ereche Ghana forces DNT a womo enya se ye be mo kwan no matimi ado edubo no musuko 2 kilometers away from the river banks na no matimi hwehwe eye womo ni ye indulge in the illegal mining no e wo me be bebre se be matimi di ni nya aba eye se na Ghana any woman 24 other show so munye se adwuma yi ever emo mine na se ye fa ye to ma be fa ye gotie se na ye so de ni ade nsem no etudo ni nchemu de eka ho.
Of the drum is like this. Look at our water. You see the problem you have caused. You come from your country and destroying our water. The water we will drink. Can you drink this? So you see, this is the problem. Hello. These guys are well established with machines, plants. They have 2 plants. One supplying water to their site, which is about 1 kilometer from here. Then, when they wash the gold, they now discharge the water through the second plant into the river. So, one of the pipes is supplying their washing machine, which is about 1 kilometer from here, and one is discharging water, the wastewater, into the river, polluting the river. So this is the main problem. You see, the guys are operating beyond 100 meters from the river. Yet their establishments are causing so much distraction to the river. So the caveat we are operating with, the 100 meters caveat, is not feasible. It's not feasible. If we need to really deal with this issue head on, we have to review that caveat. We have to review it, the 100 meters, and to give us freedom of action, so that we can operate fully. We can operate fully to ensure that we achieve the success we all desire. And that we'll finish this operation, and these guys will still be on the water and be destroying it. There will not be any change. So if we really need to get serious, we really need to make real impact on ground. This thing, they should give us a minimum allowable distance, operational distance of 2 kilometers from the river. Anything within 2 kilometers astride the river, we should destroy it. Even this one we are seeing here is 1 kilometer from the river. But yet they are the very people causing the mayhem. They are the very people destroying the river than even those with the smaller machines. We need to relook at this. Very, very, very key. Very important.
Mopo repo stress China ni a no from that 2 kilometer away yes site one to gram so didn't be China so no near to no bisa say nti onu mpo enu ko tini maimu anani fie ebi ni yesa nsu bi se dia man so won nko benom na say atuni esu aya say onu kra post ni ra ho no ho awosu wo nti Ghana DN ye per democracy. It's the added it has more to do with the country as a whole than individual bia womo edwin womo efunu mu any ebiemu so womo busia kwaso ni tese dan akesi womo tisi any de keka wo busia for aseme ya pepo hwe super o ensu etene pa na dawo na me bisa me ho senti na nanu abosomfo na nanu abosoma wo mu ensu ma na ye se di na fofida ye di na fofitete no ye se da se ye nko ensu ya no ye sa abosono mu ensu mo wo hin sesia antesentu wo mu ntimi sore enkum mo ho etimi ni eyankofo we ada juma kese bi atese be chiro mo nyansa ntino o me chiwe fi se wo se ensu no ntino ye se nyama kobo ni se eya prefu na ye hwe sa ban betie ensem we wasopam se na ye ndra ye rotumfo be kasa mi bompa ye se ensem kan no ebe wura benifo ya sum se okoi ema ye nya atwumo ho te se de ye nim nkofo mo hyehye mu omo ye o te se de ye nim omo mu twitwa nsase de ma amanfo ye o te se de ye nimpo ye kwan mu fa so be wura ye nsase so a wo mtutu eye o mtutu galamsey wo mu ana kwan ye fa so ye nso ni ese ye nye oman papa na ye nyina kodin ya no na ye nsi nkwan ema obi edufu penti woman ense because e kokko twa no ho a ba bisi ya kasa ye so wa mbre bia woma bebre woma mra wasefo bebre daachi mma bia enke we ye japade de mo be ba bisu ma se ye na nam adi abro se kasa na ye na nam mo mechichiri ko yi man ko mo de ye a enke na ye Ghana bia ye twitwa nsase e de ma manfo afi ma hodo so se wo mo betu Galamsey wo so ebusiafo ensem we ye bomba se mpenifo betie na se na so de ni aka na kwanya bi e wo obi an se no akade bi e ka obi mo fa nka wo mo fa ndum mo no mutimi ku okodi no mo fa mebe na ye nsuo no ente asase se na so biem na ye no ba ye ntimi nyi na mfu no man ye nya sundwe wo mu me be si ase wa hwe wa twenche fa ensem yi wo ete say bomo dia na fa yi comment section ho na fa so me ne biem to share video way on all the social media platforms. Follow ℂatch on Instagram, Twitter so at ℂatch_, Facebook so ℂatch. Musum form near banana ama obisua enye na DKM na chinchi mefidino ede ema me. Nyame aduma message share you. Nyame kamo makramnya.